We walked with my mommy through trails full of cheer, where tulips and trilliums whispered, "Come near." Bright daffodils danced, and to our surprise, an elf in a tree gave a wink with her eyes.
Please touch it.
I don't know. Check and put it back.
Whoa.
Show it.
We rested on chairs in the soft garden light. Then ran toward pink blooms. What a beautiful sight!
Let me smell it.
Sweet?
And mine is sweet also. Oh, look.
Smell? How is it? Smell good? Good?
Smell up here.
Smell it? Smell it?
This one.
This one? Yeah?
This one.
Is it sweet? Yeah?
With petals so lovely in every display, we smelled all the best for my mommy's day.
Hey Steph, do you know what day it is?
It's banana bread today.
It's banana bread day. It's Mother's Day.
Ah.
Right, so we're making banana bread for your mommy. Okay? So first, we need to mash these bananas. Will you help me?
I can make them.
You will mix them?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can open this one.
Can you do that? Please. That's okay. Throw it in. Now we take the fork and we go like this.
Okay, I know how to do
You
it.
know how to do it? Oh, you did a great job, honey. I think mommy will love it. Okay, now it's time to add some eggs. Okay?
And after egg, we add some strawberries.
Should I do it or you?
So we break it first.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Now, oh, okay.
Get to my bread.
Now it's on your hands.
Yeah.
Okay, well we can wash your hands.
And break the first one.
Yeah. There we go.
And now
Now we mix it. Now we need to add some butter. Are you ready? Okay.
I like to put butter.
Okay.
I
Can you
love
put it?
that.
All of it. Yes. Go. That's good. Can you mix it now?
Yeah.
Okay. Now it's time to add some yogurt.
Yes.
Some yogurt?
I can. All of them.
All of it. All of it.
Woo!
Woo! Okay. Now mix it well, please.
Whoa. And mixing it. I'm doing a great
You're
job.
doing a great job. So now we have flour, right? So we need to add some sugar into the flour to make it sweet. Can you add the sugar?
All of them?
All of it, please. Yeah.
Where?
Yeah, in here.
All of them.
All of it. And now mix it.
I like to mix it all up there, right? But first we have to mix it up.
Wow, you're doing a great job. Yeah, mix it all, right?
It is sweet.
And it'll be sweet. That's right.
Dad?
Okay, now you continue mixing, and I'm going to pour this. But I want you to mix, okay?
Okay, I'll mix.
Sorry, honey.
It's okay. Wow, that's so strong.
Is it?
Yes, and I can do it because I am a strong girl.
You are.
We put all of the strawberries.
And now we put all of the strawberries, yeah.
All of them.
All of it. Very good.
And there's 2 of them.
That's fine.
Then we mix it up.
Yeah, mix it up. Do you want to do it?
You do the great job and I'm gonna surprise.
Oh my goodness, you got a surprise?
Yes.
Yeah, you're doing great, honey.
Yeah.
Mommy's gonna love it.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, Daddy's ready now. Daddy's ready now.
It's all ready now? Okay, well, we'll wait for the oven to heat up. Put it in, okay?
Yes, I'll be a hundred timer.
Okay. Here's the timer. Perfect. Can you show? Yay, there you go. So in 1 hour it will ring and we will check on the banana bread.
Mommy, I have a surprise for you. Ta-da!
What did you make for me?
Banana bread.
Banana bread?
Yeah.
Did you make by yourself?
Yeah.
That look beautiful.
Thanks.
Can I try it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me cut, okay? Wow, that looks amazing. Thank you, baby. And daddy, right? You made with daddy?
Yeah.
Let me try it, okay? Yeah. Let me try it. So tasty. So yummy.
That's right.
You wanna try it too? There you go. So good. Taste strawberry.
Taste also.
Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day.
Aww, thank you, baby. So yummy.